This is Akaya coming at you. I hope all is well. Just wanted to show you guys a excellent product to stop snakes. If you are having snakes around your house, it is the best. And the thing that I really like about this, y'all, is it does not smell like mothballs. I do not like the smell of mothballs. I hate the smell of mothballs, and most snake stuff smell like mothballs. This has a nice smell. I am about to just, all you do is just open it right there, and you just sprinkle it wherever you want it sprinkled. Guys, I like to just sprinkle it right by the house. See, just give it a good, it's a good quick sprinkle. And I'm telling you, this will keep all your snakes away. And since my pup is always sniffing everything, I always make sure I put it places that she's not gonna sniff. Okay, so again, be careful if you have a pup or an animal, you just put it right on the side of your house, all over your house. Okay, that's how you do it. Just to let you know, guys, this is people and pet safe. But again, I still be careful where I put it, just to be on the safe side. Like a nice cinnamon smell to it. That's what it smells like. See, I'm going around the whole house. I'm just putting it around the whole house. And I'm also going to put it around the fence too. Some of it around the fence.